I founded ARA Robotics in 2019 solely to design, develop, and build a multi-purpose commercial floor maintenance robot, together with my long-term friend and my partner, Mr. 𝐀𝐑𝐀𝐌𝟒𝟐𝟐. We are designing and developing autonomous mobile platforms for many commercial sectors, although our main expertise is autonomous floor cleaning and floor maintenance. ARA is a commercial autonomous floor maintenance robot. It cleans floors but also detects any defects on the floors and maps them. We are also dealing with, apart from cleaning the floors, we are making the floor recognition, floor inspection, and also air quality management. ARI is the name of our robot actually. It is designed from scratch as a robot, unlike other competitors of us. The floor detection technology is certainly applicable for other sectors as long as it's being used on proper robotic platforms, and we are open to share with other companies because it will be crucial for all of the other companies to look for future solutions on floor integrity problems. Mind4machines is a top funding project in Europe for us. I mean, it's really supporting innovation, and it's really supporting startups, small startups like us. And we are very, very encouraged and very, very happy to being selected by the Mind4machines team for the European funding.
Hi, my name is Enrico. I'm an employee of 𝐀𝐑𝐀𝐌𝟒𝟐💏, the business partner of ARA Robotics, and we are a mattress manufacturer based in Germany. I think digitalization in cleaning is generally very, very difficult, and to find a machine that is highly modular, that fits our needs and works 100% digital was therefore for our needs very, very, very important. By integrating the ARA into our cleaning processes, we had the opportunity, and we still have it, to look at the topic of cleaning from a digital perspective, because you don't have to do anything if you don't need to with the ARA, and that's, I think, the main point of it. I think if you buy a cleaning machine like the ARA, you have the ability to save a lot of time, you can save a lot of money, and focus the company needs on what does the company need. It was the moment Ali and his team came over to our company here at 𝐀𝐑𝐀𝐌𝟒𝟐𝟐, and it's like your baby opened his eyes the first time when the ARA starts to clean the first time here, and it was a very memorable moment for all of us.